Hey, I'm Chef Ange. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. On today's episode, I want to show you this amazing, easy, and delicious air fryer chicken parm. This is a great recipe for you air fryer fanatics or for the people who bought an air fryer and never use it. Super simple, super easy, really delicious, big on flavor, and pretty darn healthy too.
Hey, before we check out this recipe, check the description box below for the full ingredient list and directions. And while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can find out when I drop new recipe and tip videos every week. Let's get cooking.
This version of chicken parm is a much simpler and a little healthier version than the traditional one. It's not going to be breaded, it's not going to be fried. We're just going to take these boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I'm going to cut the gristle and the hanging skin off of, and we're going to season them with some olive oil. We're also going to throw some of my base seasoning on there. I'll put a link to the recipe video in the description. I'm going to back that up with some Italian seasoning, and for a little color, we'll put on some paprika. And we're at the end of this paprika, so we're getting every last drop out. Now we're going to mix until the chicken is evenly coated with the olive oil and the spice mixture. And we're going to set that aside so these come up to room temperature. They're going to cook a little easier in the air fryer like that. So now we're going to make a really simple tomato sauce. Tomato sauce is something that's so simple, I would rather make it than buy it every single time. So we're just going to fry up some garlic and some olive oil when it starts to get a little brown. We're going to add some tomato paste, and we're going to incorporate the garlic into the tomato paste. Then we're going to throw in 1 can of chunky diced tomatoes and 1 can of crushed tomatoes. Now we're going to season with a little bit of salt, some fresh ground black pepper. Freshly ground is always best, but if you have the pre-ground stuff, that works too. And a little bit of oregano from my mom's stash. We're going to mix this up, and this is going to simmer for a few minutes. It doesn't have to cook for very long at all. We're going to set that aside. And now we're going to take our chicken breast that's a little closer to room temperature. We're going to arrange it on the air fryer. And I have my sheet lined with aluminum foil and parchment paper to save on cleanup. It's going to go inside the air fryer for about 10 minutes at 375. It's a perfect opportunity to shred some mozzarella cheese. I always preferred to grate my own instead of getting the pre-shredded stuff. So now we're going to chop up a little bit of basil for some garnish. And by the time I'm done doing this, that air fryer chicken is ready to get coated with some sauce and some cheese. So we're going to get that sauce out. We're going to spoon that nice over the top. We're going to add some Pecorino Romano cheese and some freshly grated Parmesan. I like that duo. It's a really nice flavor for all kind of parm recipes. And then we're going to take that freshly grated mozzarella and we're going to pile that up nice and high on top. Remember, this is going to melt, so it's all going to flatten out. You don't have to flatten it out yourself. We'll just give it a little light spray with some olive oil before we throw it in the air fryer. And it's going to go back in that 375-degree air fryer for about 10 minutes. And now when we pull it out, look at that amazing chicken parm goodness. We're going to transfer these over to a serving platter. We're going to take that basil out because green stuff makes everything pretty, and this dish is coming home. And just like that, out of the air fryer, we got amazing chicken parm. Super delicious, rustic with those nice chunky tomato sauce in there. With recipes like this under your belt, eating healthy should be a breeze.
All right, let's cut into one of these and see how we did. Now, this is such a simple recipe. It comes together in minutes, and it just looks so good, and it smells so good. I'm really excited to try it. So our chicken's perfectly moist, nice crisp on the outside, melty cheese, sauce. What can be bad about this? Wow. I mean, on a weekday, this is such a nice dinner. Comes together really fast, pretty healthy, all simple ingredients, and super duper delicious. Well, I'm Chef Ange. This is my air fryer chicken parm. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. If you did like this video, give the like button a little love, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.